my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to create an Azure custom role. Well, there might be scenarios wherein the predefined permissions or the predefined built-in roles would not address to the permissions that you want to give to a user or to a group of users. In those scenarios, you will go ahead and create a custom role. So let me log into the portal and take it from there. Alright, so we are logged on to the portal. And as I already mentioned, Azure built-in roles sometimes would not meet the specific needs for the organization, so we can create our own custom roles. The prerequisite to create a custom role that you should have permissions to create one, such as you should be an owner or you should be a user and access administrator. You can use Cloud Shell or PowerShell to create one. Let's say I log on to my PowerShell here. So let me log on to my account here using login Azure RM account. I'll get a pop-up here. I'll enter my username. I'll enter my password. It will list the tenant ID and my subscription ID, which is here. So let me run one command here to first of all list all the roles that are available for assignment in this specific subscription. So I'm going to get Azure RM role definition, and I'm going to list it in format table. I'm going to first list its name, and then I'm going to specify if it's custom or not. Alrighty, let's see what we get. Okay, so these are all the roles. Like I have these roles here, but they're not custom. These are all the built-in roles that are present. Now I'm going to only list the roles that are available to list for the custom roles in the selected subscription. So this command would do it. I have to use Azure RM because I do not have AZ modules installed. So there's nothing, right? Let me just list the custom role definition here. Okay. And when you are trying to create a custom role, we use the new Azure RM role definition command. So there are two methods of structuring the role. Either I can use PS role definition object or a JSON template. So I'm going to go with JSON template. So JSON template can be used as the source definition for the custom role. And I'm going to just have so I have this JSON template here. I'm going to rename this file. I'm going to save this file onto my desktop. And I'm going to name it custom role. Custom role 1.json, and here, and here. Okay, so if you will see, I don't know why it got changed. Let me just paste it in here. Much better. Okay, so if you will see, so this is the AZ module that they're specifying, but I'm gonna go with the Azure RM here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save this file in the JSON format, and the ID, you see the ID here, role ID should be none. Okay, and here I'm gonna do it, get Azure RM role definition, and I'm creating a virtual machine contributor. This is the name of the role, and this ID is null because it will be created on its own when I'll executed, and the name would be virtual machine operator, and it's going to get some permission from the virtual machine contributor, that is the already built-in role. So I am taking some permissions. I'm not creating it from the scratch. I am taking some basic permissions that are already present in the built-in role, which is virtual machine contributor. And the new role that I'm creating is the virtual machine operator. So what it can do, it can monitor and restart virtual machines. So if I give this permission to anyone in my team, he or she would only be able to monitor and restart virtual machines. And the role actions would be, it can read storage, network, compute, and it can the Microsoft Compute virtual machine start action, restart action, and here it is read and open a case, scope. So I'm going to enter my subscription ID here. All right. So I'm giving it on the subscription level. So if I go here and I go here, this is my subscription ID. I'm gonna paste it here, and and I do not have any second subscription, so I'm going to skip this line. And new Azure RM role definition. Okay, perfect. I'm going to save it on my desktop. I'm going to replace it. Okay, it's a JSON file. I have this with me now. So what I'm going to do is, to add the role to the subscriptions, we have to run one PowerShell command. So to do this, what you do here is, you open up a new tab and then you type in new Azure RM role assignment, or this is the definition, and input file would be, it's on my desktop, so it would be C users Ashish. It would be on my desktop. The file name is custom role 1. All right. So this is the file name that I'm going to present. And if I hit enter here, it is done. Okay. So if I go to my subscription here, and if I go to my IAM, I should see one. So if I go to my role assignments, if I go to my roles, and the role that I created was virtual machine operator. See if I have one. Let me refresh this. And that's how you create a custom role using the JSON file. So I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day ahead. Bye bye.